Welcome! In front of me I have a Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery on this Smart Band. Before we start, if you want to charge the battery on this Smart Band, you will need a couple of things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your Smart Band. Looks like this. We have the USB end and the charging end, the one with the pins. You will also need some kind of power source you can use to charge the device. It can be anything that provides power through the USB plug. So I'm gonna use this power brick that has USB plug on it, but you can use a computer, anything that provides the power through the USB. I'm just gonna mention it, but I'm gonna use the extension cable because the charging cable is too short to reach the power outlet. So I'm gonna plug the extension cable to the power brick, like this. Then I'm gonna plug the brick to the power outlet. Then I'm gonna plug the charging cable over for our Smart Band to the power source, to the USB plug with the power, and then we can pick up the band and plug the charging or the end with the pins to the band. And it's quite easy. You can just bring it close to the band and it's gonna snap on because the cable is magnetic. So once it snaps on, the band should start charging, and it was charging for a second there. Let me replug it, and as you can see, it started charging like this. The cable is not seated properly, so it doesn't work. Give me a second. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, and that's how it looks like. That's how it charges, and you can leave it to charge for a couple, I would say hour or two, and should be fully charged. And once you're done charging, you can unplug the cable like this. And that's how you charge the battery on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.